Hi, I'm Steve Gartside. I've been working in the security industry for over 25 years, and as a Texecom alarm technician, part of my job is to ensure homes and businesses stay secure. I install, maintain and test Texecom intruder alarm systems to make sure they work flawlessly. Let me take you through my day. The first step in setting up a security system is choosing the right location for the control panel and wireless receivers. Placement is key to avoiding interference from metal structures or electrical sources. Always maintain a minimum 50 centimeters distance from these. Here I am making sure the panel is positioned correctly, keeping it away from potential interference and ensuring a strong connection with all devices. Having a high quality standby battery is essential to keep the system operational during a mains outage. Updating firmware ensures that the system stays up to date with the latest security enhancements. Before proceeding, I always back up the data using Texecom Cloud or Wintex. It's a quick but crucial step. If updating from version 4, I use a flash interface. For version 5 and above, the update can be done directly through Texecom Cloud.